So today I'm going to do a challenge, and I'm going to challenge myself to fill a whole sketchbook within 24 hours. I have this sketchbook over here. I cut out a few of the pages because they were filled already. So it's not the prettiest sketchbook around, but it's still functional. There are about, I think, 22 pages left. So that's enough of a challenge for me to be able to fill them within the next 24 hours. Of course, I'm gonna sleep within those 24 hours as well. I'm not gonna stay awake for 24 hours. That's just not happening. So that's enough talking for now. It is 10 a.m. All right, let's get to it. I would like to add that I am allowing myself to use any medium that I like. I try to mix it up a little bit to make it interesting. So I just started. I think I've got 1.5 hours done already, and I only finished my first full page, like a double page. And yeah, I need to work a lot faster if I want to get stuff done today. That's something I already noticed. And also I tried using markers in the beginning, but I can already tell that it's not going to work out with the back side of the page if I do that. So not only do I have to work faster, I also have to skip the markers for sure. I think maybe it's time to take a little coffee break before I return to my pages and get into a better headspace, because I'm not feeling it right now, to be honest. And let's try again. Maybe this will give me a little bit of inspiration so I can continue my journey. Cheers. Also, if you're still watching, stay hydrated. Get some water or something else to drink, you guys. I must say I do enjoy drawing at night though. It's a little bit more quiet. I feel like I'm at my best when I draw in the evenings and at night. So I'm still gonna have some fun for the next couple of hours. So it's morning now, as you can see. This morning I managed to sketch for another 2 hours, and this morning went pretty well actually. I really enjoyed the sketching that I did this morning. But of course the most important question of all is, did I manage to fill my sketchbook? And the answer to that is no, I did not. Like, these are the pages that I finished. These are the ones that remain unfinished for the foreseeable future. I managed to do almost half of the pages that I planned to do. I think what took up a lot of my time is one of the first sketches that I did, because I really didn't like it and I just kept trying to fix it, and that took up so much time. Further along, I think it became easier to let go of that perfectionism and just draw and enjoy the process without everything having to be exactly the way I want it to be. And I must say, I really did enjoy the process, especially at night. And this morning I really enjoyed sketching. I think that's enough for now. So even though I didn't finish the complete sketchbook, I'm going to show you everything that I've been drawing for the last 24 hours. I hope you enjoy this.